Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to spend time with you guys today because I'm using a new palette today. And I also got my favorite eyelashes, which is the Pofessional Lasgoos, and I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna just show you how it looks like. This is the packaging. Okay. Right. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they have 5 pairs. I'm using one right now. And the reason why I really like this lashes, because let me tell you, I think this is probably about $14, I would say. But look at it. Alright, so there it is. As you can see, the reason why I like it is because it's like real freaking thick lashes. And then you see that side. On a side view, you can see there's a lot of kind of like hair. So I really like that. I don't like the ones that are kind of like really kind of straight, like really perfect. But I like this one because this one is more like a real hair. Sometimes there's like really longer parts of it. Well, you have to cut it. But see that one? You just have to fix it. But I really like it because it really looks like a real eyelashes. So go get it at Amazon. This is not a sponsored video, but I really like this. It's Pofessional Lasgoos. I'm gonna go ahead and put the description down below, and as well as the link, and that way you'll be able to go ahead and buy one if you like it. And this is the A11. There's different types. They do have very good pictures, so you can actually look at it, but it is called the A11. And the other thing that I'm very excited to introduce to you guys today is what we're going to use for today. It is our BH Cosmetics, the Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette. 42 matte. Okay, so this is the newest addition to my collection. Very affordable, I would say. I bought it online because I was trying to look for, you know, something that I can use for my next video. And if you guys have seen my other videos, I really like these types of colors. I'm not gonna go ahead and talk too much. Let's go ahead and just jump in. Alright, so let's begin. We're gonna go ahead and touch base with this color over here. And it's a very pretty kind of like orangey color. I've always liked orange color. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush over here. And what we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and just pack it. We're not gonna go ahead and do the motion, but we're just gonna go ahead and pack it like this. After you pack it, you're going to go ahead and get your E17 Morphe brush if you have it. But other than that, if you have this brush, that'll be fine. And then you're just going to go ahead and kind of like blend it in like that. Just the edge, not the entire thing. So after you pack it, we're going to go ahead and grab this yellow tone over here to kind of like blend the orange. We're going to use it to kind of like blend the outer part of the orange. You're going to use your E17 Morphe, or you're going to use this brush over here. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and just put it on the outer part of the orange to blend it out. So after that, I'm going to grab my Morphe M507 brush, and this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just follow that crease. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and go back to Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab that yellow color that we had a while ago, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. Awesome. After blending that color, we're going to go ahead and touch base with this color. It's a very beautiful pink color, and I'm using just a flat brush, and that's how it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and just put it underneath the crease that we did, not the crease itself, but just below the crease. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab my Morphe 507 and touch base with that orange color one more time. And then we're just gonna go ahead and kind of like blend it together. And then blending it out with our yellow tone. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and grab this beautiful purple color, and I'm using my Morphe M321 brush. And here's what we're going to do. I'm just gonna pack it on the eyelids. It is beautiful. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and just grab your pinkish color one more time. You don't have to put anything on the brush because it's already pink. You're just gonna go ahead and kind of like just blend the purple and the pink together, so it looks like it's transitioning to that color. Alright, so after that, we're just gonna go ahead and clean the powder. We're gonna go brush it away. We're done with the upper eye. We're gonna go ahead and just grab this brush again, and we're just gonna touch base with that pink beautiful color, and we're gonna do it on the under eye. Beautiful. And after doing that, I am going to grab my orange color, and I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to get that orange color. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and just put it under, a little bit under the pinkish tone. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and just grab the yellow tone that we have and kind of smoke it a little bit. Put it underneath. And because I wanted my waterline to be a little bit more intense, so I am grabbing an eyeliner. You can use whichever eyeliner you wanted. I am done, and I will be back for the finished look. Alright, so this is our finished look for today. What do you guys think about our purple sunset? Please do sound your thoughts and comments down below. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Until my next video, I really appreciate you joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Bye!